Okay, so I'm in my office. There's the door. Here's me. Here's other stuff. Stuff. Is that what life is about? Is life about stuff? This stuff? This stuff? I don't know what kind of stuff. Sometimes I feel stuffed. Sometimes turkeys are stuffed. Sometimes they're dressed. Which is true anyway. Stuffing, dressing. What about filling? Is it filling if it fills you up? But if you don't eat much, it's not filling. Is it stuffing if it doesn't stuff you? Dressing. What is that dressing all about anyway? I mean, blue cheese, that's a dressing. Thousand Island, that's a dressing. Turkey dressing? Don't get it. Have you ever seen a turkey dressed? Do you check them and find out whether you should put them in a skirt or a pair of pants? Or what if it's still a girl turkey but they prefer pants? These are things I wonder about. These are things that draw me to just think and ponder.